Welcome to the Plans section, where you will be able to create and check your plans in an environmental initiative to reduce consumption. Let's see now how to log in. If this is the first time you access and don't know how to do it, watch the access video first. To access your plans, click on the sidebar at the top left. Then on Supply Chain Management, Impacts, and finally on Plans. Once into the Plans area, you will see a card for each location and type of plan, along with some useful information, like deadlines or categories. But let's check it step by step. Let's see now how to create an action for a plan. First of all, click on any plan to access its actions. Then, click on the Create Action button at the bottom left, or on the same button at the top right, and complete, from left to right, the form that appears, choosing one of the displayed options in each case. All fields are compulsory, so the Create button will only be enabled when all fields are completed. Once you click on the Create button, you will be able to see the action in the Not Started column of the Work panel. Let's see now how to edit an action. Actions can only be edited before sending them to review. Once Incase approves your plan, you cannot change the actions, so review all data previously. When the action is on the Not Started column, you can access some options. Click on the three dots on the right and select Edit Action if you need to change any data. Then access the form. Select the data and change it. Finally, click on the Save All Changes button at the bottom to save those changes. You can also delete an action by clicking on the Delete Action option, and then confirm it by clicking on the Yes, Delete Action button. Click on the View Details option to access all details regarding that action. The most important data there is the total reduction in plan data, which will show you the percentage of reduction in which that action affects the plan. Let's see now how the timeline and the Kanban work. The plan's timeline starts at the plan required stage, so that you can begin to create actions that will appear in the Not Started column. Once all actions are created, click on Ready to Review at the top right. Then, the plan goes through 3 review stages. Incase review, where we quickly check the scope of the plan. Technical validation, where a technical specialist technically reviews the viability of the plan. And Incase approval, where Incase approves the plan. Once Incase approves your plan, you can start implementing its actions. At this point, different follow-ups will appear in the timeline for our local team to review the actions. And that's when you can start moving the actions from Not Started to In Progress. To do that, click on the 3 dots at the right of the action and select the new status, in this case In Progress. When the action is in this column, you must start adding the evidences of that action. So, click on the action to access its details. Then, go to the right area to add the evidences by clicking on the toggle on the left. And finally on the cloud icon to upload your document. You can also perform the same actions by clicking on the 3 dots on the right and choosing among the options at the drop-down menu to attach, download or delete one or all documents. The download and delete options are also available on the 3 dots of your uploaded documents, in case you need them. Once your factory carries out the action and upload the evidences, you can move the action from In Progress to Review. And if your action needs improvements, the local team will provide you with comments to help you. When the local team ensures that this action is completed and right, they will move it from the column to Review to Done. Only they can move actions to this column. And once there, you will not be able to modify its stage. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.